Or the Hampton near the highway. Hampton Inn in Fredrick, exactly. And we're gonna ride these TK Westinghouse modernized by TK. Let me just use something on one, because and then we'll go to the lower lobby.
Should you go to it?
I'm gonna show them something first. That's the reason. It's really cold in here. It's like a freezerator. Here we are one, and now let me show you something. You see this? This is the original Westinghouse call station. Right here.
Very nice.
They didn't. I'm surprised they didn't take this out before they put this one here. So now let's go down to our aisle. And there's the original indicators behind that new one. And here's this one. They had new sensors and let's see what's on LL. Okay, I think this might be the pool area. Yep, this is a fitness and pool area. Definitely. Alright, let's go up to 6. And we'll end it there. It's a really nice mod. TK, hey, great job on modding this because you added new sensors to it. You had 6. There it goes. That's it.